Section 19 of Birds, Volume 3, Number 6, June, 1898. Recorded for LibriVox.org by Phil Schempf. Summary. Brunnich's murre, Uria lomvia. Range, coasts and islands of the North Atlantic and Eastern Arctic Oceans, south on the Atlantic coast of North America to New Jersey. Nest, on the bare rock, often on the narrow shelves of cliffs. Eggs, 1. Canada goose, Branta canadensis. Other names, common wild goose, gray goose, honker. Range, North America at large. Nest, of dried grasses, raised about 12 inches from the ground, has been found in trees. Eggs, generally 5, of a pale dull greenish color. Brown creeper, Certhia familiaris americana. Range, eastern North America, breeding from the northern border of the United States northward. Nest, in holes of trees lined with dry grass, moss, and feathers. Eggs, 5 to 8. Downy woodpecker, Dryobates pubescens. Other name, little or lesser sapsucker. This, however, is a misnomer. Range, northern and eastern North America, and sporadically the western portions, Colorado, Utah, Nevada, California, etc. Nest, in an excavation in a tree. Eggs, 4 or 5, rarely 6, pure glossy white. Old squaw duck, Clangula hyemalis. Other names, south southerly, long-tailed duck, swallow-tailed duck, old Injun, Massachusetts and Connecticut, old Molly, old Billy, scolder, New Hampshire and Massachusetts. Range, northern hemisphere, south in winter to nearly the southern border of the United States. Nest, on the margins of lakes and ponds, among low bushes or low grass, warmly lined with down and feathers. Eggs, from 6 to 12, of pale, dull, grayish pea-green. White-faced glossy ibis, Plagatus autumnalis. Range, tropical and subtropical regions generally, rare and of local distribution in the southeastern United States and West Indies. Nest, of rushes, plant stems, etc., in reedy swamps on low bushes. Eggs, 3, rather deep dull blue. Arkansas kingbird, Tyrannus verticalis. Other name, Arkansas flycatcher. Range, western United States from the plains to the Pacific, and from British Columbia south through Lower California and western Mexico to Guatemala. Nest, on branches of trees, in open and exposed situations, 6 to 20 feet from the ground, built of stems of weeds and grasses. Eggs, 3 to 6, white, thinly spotted with purple to dark reddish brown. End of section 19. This recording is in the public domain. End of Birds, Volume 3, Number 6, June, 1898.